welcome to today's class. So already we started first lesson Healthy Life written by Pedro Pablo Sarkistan. So we know that in many years ago all the people on this earth were very happy by seeing that some witches are very angry with them. So that's why they wanted to destroy their happiness. So they wanted to prepare some potion. I know already I told you people, potion means liquid, isn't it? That is magical liquid. By drinking that, they lose interest in their life. So all they'll gather in deep forest. They started chanting mantra. Who? Witches. But what happens? One of the witches which chanted wrongly, because of that the whole what? A forest destroyed. Isn't it? So now we'll continue the next one. As a result, it turned all the witches into tiny creatures like germs. So what happened when it is exploded? As a result, what is the result? When one of the witch chanted wrongly, because of that reasons, all the witches are turned. They are turned into tiny. Tiny means small creatures. So like germs. You know, no, germs are very small, isn't it? So like that, who changed into small creatures? Witches. Why they have changed? Because one of the witch, what? He chanted wrongly. They were trapped in liquid in a small bottle which was lying in a swamp. Oh, so who were? Witches were trapped. What is the meaning of trapped? They are inside. Trapped means they are caught. They are caught. Who are caught? Witches have caught inside a small bottle. Small bottle which was lying. What is lying? It is there in a swamp. Swamp means a wetland. What is wetland? You already know. 3-4 days back we had a heavy rain. Because of that, the ground is wet, isn't it? It is moist. That we call it as swamp. Wetland is called swamp. What do you call it as swamp? Swamp is a wetland. So what happened? As a result of explosion, all the witches are turned into small creatures like germs. These germs are inside the bottle, small bottle that was on the ground. It is lying in the wetland. One day a little boy found this bottle. So all the witches were in bottle. How they are? They are in small what? Germs. But one day what happened? One of the boy saw this bottle. Which bottle? The bottle which contains that witches are turned into germs, isn't it? So thinking it contained a nice drink. The boy thought. Who thought? The boy thought maybe this bottle is having good what? Nice drink. Very good drink. So he swallowed it fully. What is swallowed? He drank fully what the bottle contains, that he drank. The germ like witches took advantage of this situation. So when that, before seeing that boy, they were inside the bottle. As soon as the boy drank that one, what? The germ started taking use of that, the advantages of that time, though they could not physically harm anyone. So they are very small, no? They can't make any they can't give any problem physical. That is outside. They can't do anything. They learn to change the boys' likes and dislikes. So they can't bite outside. They can't do something harm to us. But what happened inside? So we all know that we are all now suffering from the coronavirus. So that is what it is. It is inside. The virus is going and making. So it is creating a big problem. Like that only. Here is also these germs are making changes in whose? That boys. Which boy? The boy who drank this. What? The bottle what? Which contained. So, like, dislike. This is the prefix and opposite also. in a few days, a funny feeling started in the boy's mouth. So after the germs which are inside the stomach, they started doing their work. So like that, this boy, which boy? The boy who swallowed that, he started acting something funny, that is something jokingly he was doing. He no longer wanted to eat vegetables, fruits and good food. So the boy, he doesn't like what to eat. Before they were eating vegetables and fruits and good foods, no? Now as soon as when he drank this water, the nice, what is something contained in bottle, he disliked, he don't like to eat vegetables, fruits and all good foods. All he wanted to do was to ask for pizza, burger. Now you people will also ask, no, so you don't like to eat vegetables and fruits also, because but here is also before drinking the bottle which contained, before that he used to eat vegetable, fruits and good food. After drinking that one, he don't like to eat all these vegetable, fruits and good food. He wanted to like to eat pizza, burger and wait for them at home. So you know nowadays, if you go to the big cities, they'll order like Swiggy, isn't it, Zomato, like that. Before what, they were walking, running, all, I learned it in your first paragraph. So now he'll just order and he'll be waiting for that pizza and burger. He wasted his time waiting for food from hotel or restaurants and watching television. So he's wasting his time. He's not using, because he's not doing exercise, he's not running, he's not doing any work. Just he'll order the pizza, burger in online and he's waiting for that. Where he'll order? He'll order in hotels and restaurants. And what he'll be doing? He'll be watching television. So children, we are requesting you people also, don't do this. Just eating junk foods and watching televisions, you will lose your health. Okay, so that's why do a useful morning, wake up early in the morning, go for walking, jogging and then eat good good foods. And he wanted to eat eating ice creams and chips. So like this, the germs done their work inside only. These are the harmful germs. Who are harmful, turned into harmful germs? The witches are turned into harmful germs. So in the third paragraph, what happened? So when it exploded, all the witches are turned into small creatures like a germs. That all they went inside the bottle. They are lying in a wetland. One day one boy saw this and he thought it is a nice drink. It's a good drink. He drank that. So germs can't do any problem outside. So they went inside and they started doing their work. After few days, the boy disliked he don't like to eat vegetables, fruits and all. So he wanted to eat pizza, burger and he stopped walking, running, exercise, everything. He was sitting in front of TV and eating chips, ice creams. Like this, he spoiled his health. So let us move to the next one. No longer did he enjoy fruits and vegetables. After started eating pizza and burger, ice creams and chips, he don't like to eat vegetables and fruits. He did not feel like walking, running and playing with his friends. So you people also know, always video games, PUBG, what is that, Free Fire, like that. So it is spoils, because you'll be sitting in one place and watching and playing, and you'll always like to watch the TVs, that serial, these movies and all. This is not good for health. And eating, while you are watching, you'll eat chips and mixture, all these things. This is not good for health. So this boy is also he hates to eat vegetables and fruits, and then he don't like to go out for what? Walking, running, and even he doesn't like to play with whom? Its friends. Eventually, what is eventually? Slowly. Eventually means slowly. Slowly he stopped going out of the house and was sitting or lying about. So he don't like to go out. He was what he was? He was always sitting in the house, or he'll be sleeping. He started feeling ill. So when he's not doing work, hard work, or any exercise, he's not giving any exercise to his body, he started feeling ill. What is the meaning of ill? He's not feeling well. His health is spoiled. His health is become bad. So before long, he had no desire to do anything. So now he don't want to do anything. He's sick now. So the evil potion had worked. Evil means what? Bad. Potion, that is what he drank, no? That is the liquid that is started working inside him. And the worst thing of all was that the witches had learned to jump from one person to another like virus. The worst thing what happened, from his body to they started jumping from one person to another person. So how it's corona is spreading now from one person to another person in the form of virus. So what is virus? It is a infective agent. Agent means it through this. For example, what happened when we cough or when we sneeze, it spreads. Like this only, this virus started working, and the bad thing from that virus is what? Germs is that they are started spreading from one person to another person. How they managed to turn the effect of poison into one of the worst diseases. So what happened when they spread from one person to another, they started new diseases. The worst thing is the very bad diseases started spreading. The disease of wasting life. These diseases are making the man waste. The life is also waste. See children, so that is why I am saying you people, don't sit idle in house watching TVs, playing with mobiles. Just attend your classes regularly without miss. After that, play outside by taking safety measures, or play in your balcony only, or inside the house only. So don't watch always TV and mobile and play with mobiles. So this is the worst thing. It spoils your health. So now in this session you can't go in field and play, isn't it? Take safety measures. Play inside in your house only. If it is balcony is there, play in front of your house only. Play. So this is the age for you people to play. So work hard children, and here for all the 7th standard students, I am requesting through this, please go through this. We are all the teachers started doing lessons, but from your side there is no good response. So we want that response. So read. So that is why I took the photos of this. I typed this third paragraph and fourth paragraph so that you can read and learn. And explained also. If you have any doubt, you can call me and clarify that. So down you have the question and answers. See what happened to the witches after the explosion. What happened? They turned into tiny creatures like germs. I am only saying, so listen. What did the boy do with the new drink? He drank that water thinking what? It's a nice drink. How did the boy change after drinking the potion? After drinking the potion, what happened? He started disliking what? Fruits and vegetables. And he wanted to eat pizza, burger. And he was and then mention the worst thing that the witches learned to do. Worst thing was they are jumping from one person to another person like a virus. isn't it? So these are the answer. I already told the answers also. You just write once again and submit to WhatsApp group. Children, please watch. These are all lessons. This is not revision. We started lesson, isn't it? So from your side there is no activeness. Okay children, so take it seriously, attend the classes, watch the videos. If you have any doubt, clarify. So we'll see you in the next class. Till then, goodbye children, take care.